Hello Candy Lovers! So, it's Saturday and it's already 3:30 p.m. Ayun, kakatapos ko lang mag-makeup sa dalawa kong client. Para siyang walk-in client lang. Nagpa-makeup sila. Una yung isa, 12 noon and then yung pangalawa, 2 o'clock. So, right now, I'm gonna prepare myself kasi may event ako later, yung Cream Silk Modern Filipina Transformation. I'm so excited about it. And this is my makeup of the day. Very simple lang. Ayan. Yung lips ko, ganyan lang yung color. Kasi para ayoko naman kasing mag-clash yung color ng lips ko sa aking dress. By the way, this dress is from Say. Hi, Say! Thank you so much sa dress. Ayan, binigay na lang niya sa akin to. And it's nice. I like it. Wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo yung yung full look. Wait lang. Ayan, ganito lang siya yung dress. Ayan. Actually, dalawa yung color nito. Yung isa yellow, tapos yung isa, ito yung color. May slit siya. Ayan, slit, tsaka, yan. Tapos flat shoes lang. Kasi ayoko mag-high heels or mag-heels. Kasi, awan ko, hindi ko lang feel. Ang haba na ng hair ko, oh. Sini-straight ko lang siya using my, flat iron. Tapos yung baba, medyo kinurl ko ng konti para hindi ganun ka-straight. Candy Lovers, I'm now here inside the, actually, World Trade Center tent siya. Akala ko nandun talaga. Anyway, nandito na tayo sa loob. It's already 5 p.m. Just in time sa, main schedule daw nila, main event.
Has the power to transform your hair to beyond beautiful. And today, we will show you just how to do that. Please join me in welcoming our first hair expert, Unilever's Research and Development Director for Personal Care, Mario Manilan.
I'm here to tell about the beautiful science behind cream silk. And in fact, I was remarking to a group that we like in the science fair.
Nag-ikot-ikot na ako, kaso parang every station, meron silang mga booth, like yung Meg, Yes, Magazine, Cosmopolitan, Cream Silk, and then, ang ginagawa nila, parang may mga, parang something like beauty talk, ganyan. Pero yung main event, 5 to 6 pa. Wait natin yan. Hi! Hi, Marge! Yan, ganda ng outfit ni Marge. Derby,
Welcome to my party.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, mahiya.
Ganda ng outfit. Oh. Dito na si Jenza.
Actually, kanina pa.
Early bird. Ano na, kamusta?
Okay naman.
Wow, ba't joke mo?
Early bird catches the worm.
While waiting for the event,
Kain-kain mo ng dessert.
si Char, si Jess Rocket, saka si Derby. Hindi din si Miss Earth. Yeah. And si Miss Joyce.
Ah, yes.
Yes.
Hindi pa rin rumarampa, guys.
Oo,
Tayin lang natin. Maya-maya.
Mamaya, pag naubos ko na to.
that whatever you do, if you have a dream, you hold on to it. And that I want to be an inspiration for everyone to not give up on their dreams. All it takes is determination. That's the key to success. And discipline, of course. So, wow, I'm in awe. So, thank you so much, everyone.
It's already 7:20. Ongoing pa din yung program. Ongoing pa din, pero umalis na ako sa area ko dahil super crowded. And to the point na ang hirap-hirap na niyang mag-picture and mag-video. Sigawan pa na sigawan. Pero nakakatuwa kasi nandun si Hart, nandun si Nolene, nandun si Rachel Anto, Julie San Jose, and Yassi Pressman. Who else? Nandito si Victor. Kaya ito pa ni Sarah Geronimo. And Julie, ayun. And ito, nagbigay yung Cream Silk ng loot bag. So, inside the loot bag, we have, ito yung kanina. Meron tayong GC. Yan. Ito yung parang brochure passport nila. We also have this. Ano ba to? Yung notebook, I guess. Notebook na nakalagay is Cream Silk Transformations. Yan. And then, ito gusto ko sa lahat. Goodie! Tangle Fix. I've been meaning to buy this, kaso namamahalan ako sa kanya. Kaya yun, yay! Finally, meron na ako. And then, Cream Silk, of course. Dry Rescue Conditioner. And ito naman, Stand Out Straight. And, Damage Control. What else? Lahat pala ng variant ng conditioner. Dry Rescue Conditioner. What's the difference? Oh, what's the difference? Ito daily treatment. Ito Dry Rescue Conditioner lang. And then this one is the Hair Fall Defense Conditioner. And what is this? This one is this Stand Out Straight Leave On Cream. What's this? 40% on all blowouts for first-time clients only. Blow dry hair bar. Ito siya. Ayan. And ayan na. Ano na lang to? Press kit. So yun. Maraming salamat, Cream Silk.